Good morning, student. Today we are going to start the solving question in equation. Okay, beta. In last video, I'm trying to explain how to make the equation questions, or how to solve the equation question, or how to present the equation questions. Okay, beta. Mainly, I am telling the 4 rules. One is purchase. If you are going to purchase, then if in cash, your cash will decrease, your stock will increase. On credit, it means your cash not decrease, your stock increase, but you making new creditor. Liability side, okay beta, creditor liability side. Next, sell. If sell in cash, then your cash will increase and your goods will decrease. If on credit, the goods will decrease, it's a confirm, but your cash is not decreased, debtor will increase. Okay, any type of expense or loss less from the cash and capital, any type of expense and loss less from the cash and capital, and any type of profit or income will add in cash and capital. Okay, clear? On the basis of that, we are going to start the question. Okay, in equation question number 1, practical question number 1. For that, first we are making the pro forma like that. Make one line. Here we are only putting the number of every transactions and write the transaction here. Okay, beta? Transaction here. I am only putting the number. Okay, and then write in here formula. Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay, beta? Now we are going to start the question. Clear? Okay, let's start the question. First is
Sandeep started a business with cash. 1 lakh.
so one is cash and second beta capital. Just first see how we are going to present the different head. When you are going to start the business with cash, then one head is cash and second head is capital, because that cash will invested in the business as like a capital. So 2 head we are going to make the 50,000 or 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Write down the amount in downside 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Okay, clear? First we are written asset side cash, capital side and liability side capital. 1 lakh, 1 lakh, both sides is equal. Okay, next, second,
Purchase furniture for cash 5.
you are going to purchase furniture. You have written the here all transactions data. Okay, I am only putting the number, but you have written the transaction here also. Okay, purchase furniture. You are purchasing furniture means furniture is coming in the business data. So furniture coming in business means new head furniture 5,000 and less from 5,000 for where? From cash. Clear beta? If you are going to purchase the furniture from any shop, okay beta, so then to is sure and certain you are giving the cash and taking that furniture. And when you are going to take the furniture is coming in the business, and your cash amount is less. So cash less from cash 5,000 and new head is furniture. Now finish this. Finalize 5,000 plus 95,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, both sides is equal. After every transaction, just see both sides is equal or not. Okay, if not equal, then any problem is there, and equal it means upside everything is clear. Okay beta? Okay, go for the third.
Purchase goods for cash 20,000.
Okay, purchase goods from cash 20,000. Again you are going to purchase the goods in cash. It means new head is coming, that is goods. Amount 20,000. It's add beta, but that 20,000 we are paying by cash, then 20,000 less from the cash. Finish this. Then finalize goods 20,000, furniture 5,000 and 75,000, and this amount is 1 lakh. It means again see both side is equal or not. Both side is equal 75. 80, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, next.
Purchase goods on credit.
Again we are going to purchase goods. Okay beta, first understand ki what the effect is coming after this transaction. You are going to purchase means goods is coming in business. 26,000, 36,000, so that will add in this goods because you are receiving so much, so add in the goods. You are going in the market and purchase one more goods for 36,000. So that goods is coming in your business and that will add in a goods. But you are not paying with cash, so your cash is not less. You are taking this transaction on credit. Taking this transaction on credit, it means creditor will make, and creditor amount is 36,000. Okay, beta, clear? When you are going to purchase on the credit, the one creditor is coming liability side. Finalize 56,000 plus 5,000 plus 75,000, 1 lakh plus 36,000. Both sides is equal. Both sides is equal. Okay. Next, fifth, paid rent or commission 700. This is not what?
Paid rent 700.
Very clearly, in last video I was tell about that. Any type of expense is given, then we are going to less that expense from cash and capital. So 700 less from here and this side. Finalize 56,000, 5,000, 74,300, 99,300 plus 36. Okay, beta? Clear? Next.
Good costed 40,000, sold at a profit of 20% for cash.
Goods costing 40,000. Just see. Goods costing 40,000 plus 20% profit. 20% of his amount is beta 8,000. Okay? It means total amount we are receiving 48,000 beta. If 40,000 costing of goods and we are going to sell that goods with the profit of 8,000, it means 40,000 plus 8,000 we will receive the 48,000. Okay, we are receiving 48,000, it means add in capital 48,000. Is it clear? We are receiving cash 48,000, add in capital, add in cash 48,000. Clear? We are going to sell for only 40,000. Goods value is 40,000, so less from goods 40,000. It's also clear? Only 40,000 we are going to sell, beta. So 40,000 less from goods, 8,000 is profit, and profit will add in where? In capital, beta. Profit add in capital. Then 16,000, 5,000, 3,000, 2. Okay, beta. And then 300, 7, 11, 10, 7, 13, 6,000. Just see and check the answer. Goods 1600, 16,000, 5,000, 123, 300, and then 1,07,300. 17 beta. 70 is not there, na? 17. Okay. And then 36,000. Total 0, 0, 3, 3, 6 and 3, 3, 1, 1 and 1. 1, 3, 1, 4, 143, 300. Total is given or not? Not given question. Yes, all head is totally beta is clear, na? All head is matching, then no problem. Totaling is 143, 300, and this side 0, 0, 3, 5, 6, 11, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4 and 1. Okay beta, on this way we are going to make the equation. In this system we are only setting all the things or just showing how to present the effect of every transaction. You are entered here transaction also beta. Okay, how to effect the all transaction in this equation. Okay, cash and capital, then you are purchasing what? Furniture, then new head is furniture less from cash. Again you are going to purchase goods in cash less from cash, new head is goods. Again purchase in credit, 36 on add in stock or goods and 36,000 creditor. Then you are going to pay 700 as an expense, 700 expense. Then 40,000 goods we are going to sell with the profit of 20%, 40,000, 20%, 8,000, 48,000 received, that is add in the cash, 40,000 less from the goods and 8,000 is a profit that will add in a capital. Okay beta, clear? Now I am going for the one more question. Okay, just see one more question. By that you are easily understand things. Same way, we are only seeing the effect beta, effect of that transaction. If you are well understand the effect of that transaction, then it's very easy to deal with this all head. Okay beta, it's very easy. Only see, only understand the effect. Okay, for that, for the next question we are going to start with the next, and next question is start with the first transaction beta. Business start with the cash of 1 lakh.
Manu started business with cash of 50,000.
50,000. Okay, it means cash 50,000 and capital also 50,000. Okay beta, next second
Brought furniture for 500.
furniture. Again we are going to make the furniture 500. Okay beta, 500. Then finalize 500 plus 49 500 is equal to 50,000. Okay, clear? Next,
Purchase goods on credit of 4,000.
purchase goods on credit. So first we are purchase goods. So goods is coming in the business. Just write the goods, but on credit, so not lessing from the cash. Make the creditor 4,000. Then finalize 4,000 plus 500 plus 49. 500 is equal to 50,000 plus 4. Okay beta, only taking the plus or minus, then that is called finalize. And check this finalize is both side will equal, then all the things you are doing on top side, that is right. Next,
Sold goods on cash cost rupees 500 for 700.
700. Sold goods of cost 500. Cost is better 500, but you are going to sell in 700. It means 200 is what? Profit. So first cost 500 is cost. So we are going to less the cost 500. Okay beta, we are receiving 700, adding in cash 700, 200 profit, add in capital 200 profit. This 3500 plus 500 plus 00205, 50,200, 50,200 plus 4,000. Okay beta, clear? 5,000 goods value, then value we are going to less from the goods, but we are receiving 700, so 700 we are going to add in cash, and 200 is profit, and profit always we are going to add in capital. Okay, next.
Received rent 200.
Receive rent, any type of income we are going to receive, that will add in capital and cash. Okay beta, any type of income we are received, we are going to add in where cash and capital beta. Okay, then 3,500, 500, 50,400, 50,400 plus 4,000. Clear? Up to this is clear or not? Next,
Purchase good for cash 1,000.
1,000. You are purchasing the goods, so goods will add in goods and less cash will less from the where? Less from cash. Then 4,500 plus 500 plus 49,400. 50,400 plus 4,000. Okay, beta? Up to this is clear? Okay, next.
Withdraw for personal use is 700.
Withdrawal for personal use 700 means drawing. Drawing also we are going to less from the cash and capital. Drawing also less from the cash and capital beta. Minus from both. So 4,500, 500 plus less here 004. 14 minus 7. What amount is coming? 7 na? 14 minus 7 is 7. 184. Here 00794 plus 4,000. Okay. Anything else? Or finished?
There. Paid to creditors 400.
Paid to creditors 400. You are going to pay. Pay means less from where? From cash and less from creditor. Because when we are going to pay to creditor, so our creditor will less. Creditor amount will less beta. Then 45 plus 5 plus 00384 49700 plus 3600. Okay beta, clear? Finished?
No, there.
One more. Okay.
Paid to salaries 200.
Salary. It's again expense. Any type of expense less from the where? Less from the cash and capital. Amount of salary beta? Amount of salary? 200. Less from cash and capital? 200. Just see. After the less of this, 4,500, 500, 48, 100, 49,500 plus 3,600. Okay? On this way we are going to solve the question. Just check the answer. Check the answer, beta. Goods 4,500, 500, 48, 100, 49,500 and 3,600. Okay? Clear? Just see in the question.
Have to add also.
What?
Total also. Totaling.
Totaling is there here.
Yes.
Just add 0, 0, 5 and 6, 1, remain 1, 10, 3, 1, 4 and 5. 53, 100.
Yes.
Here also 53, 100. Okay. Again I like to repeat these all question. First, business is start with the cash of 50,000. Then cash and capital. Okay beta? Then cash and capital. Then purchase furniture for 5,000. Less from the cash 500. Less from the cash 500 and make one furniture of 500. Okay? Then remaining amount is 500, 49, 500 and 50,000. Then next purchase goods from 4,000 on credit. Then we are making two goods 4,000 asset side and one make creditor on credit side, liability side. Then this finalize 4,000 plus 5,000 plus 49,500 is equal to 50,000 plus 4,000. Okay, next. Sold the good cost value of 500 in 700, less from goods 500 but add cash 700 because you are receiving 700. Profit 200 will add in capital. Next, we are going to receive the income 200 add in cash and capital. Then you are going to purchase new goods from 1000 in cash, so add in goods 1000 less from cash 1000. Next you are going to pay 700, then less 700 for cash and less 700 from capital. Next you are going to pay 400, less 400 in cash and 400 paying for the creditor, less 400 less from the cash and less from the creditor, okay, because you are paying. Next 200 is expense, less from cash and capital, and then finalize is goods 4500, furniture 500, cash 48 100, capital 49 500, and creditor 3600. Total is 53 100. Okay, beta, clear? On this, by the using or utilizing of these two questions, you can try the more question, other question. Okay, beta, try it. Okay, thank you.